change the date to 03.
It's 3. It's 3. Yes, it's 3. So I'm still behind. The last one? This one.
I think that's what 4. No, it's okay. Last one. Yeah.
Can you replace this one? Is there another one? That's the last one. This one? Yes. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. We can give you a copy.
Thank you, sir.